Mainit-init na tsismis. Doon Pangilinan shinare kung bakit pinili niya si Bel Mariano. Ito nga ang sabi niya na talagang napanganga ang mga etyoserang Marites. Wala raw silang nasabi kundi nakinig na lang raw sa sinasabi ng aktor. May nagtanong sa akin. Madalas tinatanong sa akin na why I choose her. And honestly, the answer is simple. Because nothing in my life has ever felt more real than her. Being with her feels like coming home after a long, exhausting day. At hindi ko naman plinano, it wasn't planned or logical. It just happened. Like breathing, like blinking. One day, I simply realized I already love her deeply, entirely. And from that moment on, there was no turning back. At ang mga Marites, doon daw nila nasabing, wala na raw chance ang iba. He's really into her kahit anong gawin niyong issue, kahit sinong babae ang i-link niyo sa kanya or i-ship niyo man sa kanya. Wala siyang ibang babaeng gusto kundi si Bel lang.